welcome back, you guys. My name is Lonnie Love. For the ones that are new to this channel and for the ones who are returning, welcome back. So if you are new, please do me a favor. Please hit that red subscribe button, make it turn gray, hit up the notification bell, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to keep up with us. So this channel is about me and my son, about learning and healthy eating. And today, I'm so excited, and I've been waiting to do this review. For some reason, when I had ordered the first set, it did not come. So the second time I ordered, it did not come. For some reason, it seemed like the vendor, it kept disapproving. I don't know how it works on Amazon, on the side of the seller, but every time on my end, I can never find it. So I eventually went with somebody else. So as you can see by the title, I will be opening another bento box. So currently AJ has 2 bento boxes that he have been using. So this will be the third one. And this bento box that I bought, it comes in 3 parts. And I was thinking more in the line of, because since he started VPK, it will be a better use. And normally with his other bentos, I normally use up all of it, all the space that is available, and he comes home not eating majority of it because I overpack. So to me, I think for the little, it looked like it's small. You know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you, wait. So I actually bought 2 of these bento boxes in the hopes of that the days that he does wraparound. Wraparound is meaning, since VPK is free for, you know, however long, like 3 to 4 hours, and then the rest of the day that he's there, like a whole full day daycare, that's what they call wraparound, he's able to use this bento box. So I will put everything, all the details in the description box, but this is how it comes. It comes in the brown box. I bought 2. It comes in a brown box. I think this color is mint. It comes with a fork and a spoon, which I'm not gonna bring with him because that is too much to be packing on. And I noticed that it did not come with its own department for the spoon and the fork, which I think they should have got a little department, at least on the top, you know, to cover it up, because if you're trying to use this first part, you're going to want to put food in it, and now you have to think about the food and space available. So let me go ahead and open this. This is supposed to be leak proof as well. One of AJ's other bento box, the Omni box, that is not leak proof. And you know, dealing with certain food, you want things to be leak proof. Like if I'm having some type of like ranch or something, I want it to be closed, sealed off. So before I open it all the way, hold on, let me go ahead and open this one. Hold on. I'm going to open the other one. Guys, I love this knife. This is Edge Keeper. Forgot what brand. Probably that's the brand, but no, Five Fraveware. Probably pronouncing it wrong, but I love this. So, but I guess this right here is the Edge Keeper. It has a little blade, but I just love it. So I'm opening the box right now. I should have did this prior to doing the video, but you know, in the spirit of me, the kids are outside. So if you see me like leaning and I'm kind of at the camera, that's why they're outside. So, again, there's another box from Lisa. Right? Like, this is what you call adulting. I think it's raining outside. They just like telling Titi to come. So cute. Okay, Balls, I'll be back. It's raining outside. Age is gonna come in right now.
Mommy, it's raining.
It's raining?
Yeah.
Okay, so if my audio was bad before because I did not turn on the audio all the way up. So this are the Bento box. This is for the thumbnail, you guys. So it says 900 milliliter. It says, I'm gonna go ahead and rip this off. This is supposed to be eco-friendly. I just want to see how inside feels. Don't mind the noise. You know what, guys? If y'all want to see like what AJ eats, like one of those videos that I prepare his food, you'll see what goes in there. And when he comes back to see if he ate it or not. If y'all want to see videos like that, please leave a comment below. This is the top. It comes with a divider, the spoon, and the fork. The fork has a little, I don't know if you guys can see it. Has the fork. It has a little ridge on the side. I guess if you want to cut something. The spoon, they're very long. See? It's very long. It has little ridges. So it opens up like a Lamborghini. This is the first layer. There's ridges. I want to know how is this leak proof, and it does not have. I'm pretty sure this is not leak proof. I think this is probably leak proof because it has the top to it. So the first two are the same size. Oh, I can't wait to actually put some food in here. First two the same size, and this, I'm guessing this is like where normally the main course will be. This will probably be for like salad, maybe some type of dessert, and you know, all your nice starchy food. Okay, let me see if I can open it. So this is the inside. I think this will do pretty good for AJ. Maybe I would do, because me and AJ are not really breakfast eaters. So AJ probably maybe do this in the morning for breakfast and snack. This one right here will have to be for lunch. So what I would do, I probably will take painter's tape and put breakfast, snack, make this for lunch. And of course, I know this will not hold up heavy food like a regular, you know, some type of thermos lunchbox, but this will keep the food in. So this look like it's basically it. This, even though I don't look that excited, but I'm very excited about this. Well, before I let you guys go, let's do the water test, shall we? Well, I'm gonna see if I can just do it for this one. Okay. I'm gonna pour it into this. So hopefully y'all guys can see this. So make sure everything is closed. Maybe if that is closed with it. Let's try that. Because y'all clearly see that. And I don't think this is like kid friendly too. Like, you have to know how to put it in. Okay, now let's do the test. It's not leak proof. it was starting to, I thought it was gonna hold up, you know. Maybe I closed that part off incorrectly. So let's do this again. But y'all clearly seen it leak, right? It's supposed to be leak proof, but giving CPR on it. Okay, do this again. This is definitely not for kids to take, because look how I'm struggling. I have to get my shirt wet and stuff, you know. Y'all see that drippage? Jeez. So I'm kind of bummed out about that. They put the lid on it like it's supposed to be leak proof. You know what? I got my handy dandy. You better not. This is the last review. If you did not watch it, please go watch it. So I will put some water in here and see if it's leak proof. Because last time I put something in here, soup, and it was fine. Okay, y'all ready? It's sealed off. I mean, because, you know, I don't want to talk about these people's products and it actually do work and it doesn't. Okay, so like it does have a little hole right here that you can like make the air escape, the hot heat or whatnot. So, and it's actually hot. The water's actually hot. That's cool, huh? Y'all ready? So if it leaks from there, I mean, would that still count? No. No. So when a company says it's leak proof, what kind of leak proof are they talking about? Like the top is not gonna pop off when you drop the container. I really had high hopes for this. Oh gosh. You know what they selling this? They selling this for like $17 on Amazon. $17. And it says leak proof. And I'm not seeing the proof part. I'm seeing the leakage. You know what? I think it's time for me to do a review after when I take these two bento box. If you have not know what bento box are Japanese lunch boxes, and they are very colorful, vibrant, with a whole bunch of fruits, veggies, especially veggies, and a majority with eggs. They always have some type of eggs or sausage, but it gives the kids another creative side. Some leave notes in the bento box, so that's what I'm going to be doing with AJ from now on. I'm going to be putting little notes in there. But thank you guys for watching, and if you have any comments about anything, I'm pretty sure I did not do any no review on the Omni box, but I did do I didn't do a review on none of them. I did a box opening, an unboxing. So after this week, I will let you guys know about all of his bento box, which is not a lot, and maybe do a video of what I put inside. Well, if I do the video, I'm rambling on. So like I said, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share, and share. Bye.